everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today is going to be my 2-year update on the Saint Laurent Lou camera bag. I can't believe it's been 2 years. It's actually been over 2 years actually, so it's been a minute and I can't get over that because time has absolutely flown by. But if you haven't already, I have done a full review on this bag. I also did a vlog when I actually purchased it from the Saint Laurent store, so definitely go check that out if you're interested. But this bag is still very much a bag of interest for a lot of people, so I figured this video would be actually super helpful for those of you interested in purchasing this bag in 2024. So I'm going to start off with the design and the quality of the bag so far. So of course we have the is it metalassy leather, I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, with the gold hardware. It does come with a strap also, which is not detachable, and then it has this kind of chevron pattern going all around. Obviously has one zip compartment and there are no compartments other than one pocket right here. It's basically just one gaping hole. So after 2 years, the leather has held up really well. I've had no issues. This is one of probably my most worn bag, to be honest, because it's very easy to style. It's very casual, really great quality. I don't have to worry about it. I put it on the floor. I treat it like a bag, okay? Although obviously you do spend a lot of money on these bags, I feel like it's really important to wear the bags rather than just having them sitting there looking great for decoration, but you're not actually getting use out of them. I get a lot of use out of this, and the quality is still just as amazing from when I purchased it. Maybe some light scratches, but barely noticeable. With the type of leather that it is, it's very soft leather, very like plushy, as you can see. So it's inevitable that there will be some scratches, but for the most part, I think it looks fantastic. This is what the bottom looks like. As you can see, it looks almost brand new. And then this is the top of the bag. And then we also have, of course, the long strap, which comes with the tassel, which is actually a bit annoying, to be honest. But I haven't taken it off. It does come with the tassel. And the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your height. So overall, the quality of the bag, it looks amazing. I don't see any issues, no scuffs, even the gold brass hardware, there's no scratches on it. Maybe some light scratches, but it's like you can't even notice it, to be honest. And it's only because I'm actually like looking at it properly. Even the tab here, like still in amazing quality, in amazing shape. And the only difference I can tell is that, as you can see at the top, I don't know if you can see, but it isn't lying flat, it lifts up a bit. I believe I've heard this is like an issue, not an issue per se, but something that happens with these types of bags over time. So as you can see, it's not lying flat. You can see it's kind of got this hump, but that really isn't a big deal. I do keep tissue inside just to maintain its shape. And I do that with all my bags, and I keep it also in the duffel bag that it comes in. So overall, this bag has held up really well. The cons to this bag are that the strap is not adjustable. So even if you are on the last hole to adjust it, it might, if depending on your height, it might hit really low on you. It hits just below my hip, and sometimes I do want it higher, but this is the furthest it can go. So I will say that is a drawback. I will say as well that it is a very casual bag. It's very difficult to dress this up, in my opinion. I don't see myself wearing a really cute dress and then wearing this as a bag. It just it doesn't. Maybe if the back straps were detachable, you could probably hold it like this, but it's very much a casual day-to-day, you know, bag. There's no fraying, there's no issues with the tassel, there's no scratches or tarnishing. Honestly, amazing quality. I'll say the only downfall, which you probably will not be able to see, but as you can see, the logo is slightly raised, and in the crevices, you can actually see like crumbs, like bits of just dirt and debris that has built up. I do try to clean it. You can't see that. I don't know if you can see, but as the logo is raised, and in the little crevices here, there's like crumbs and just dirt and just, you know, just where the bag is been bagging. But the bag has just been, going through it and just been in different environments. I've taken it on holiday, so it's been in my suitcase. So it's been around, and it's inevitable that it's going to get dirty, but it's just a bit more noticeable because of the contrast between the gold hardware and the black bag. But nevertheless, besides that, I think it's held up really well. I think what I could do to clean that is probably get a Q-tip with some, maybe some alcohol gel or something, just to clean, the crevices. But logo still looks fabulous. And I have nothing but great things to say about this bag. I personally feel if you want to buy this bag in 2024, definitely go ahead. It's a very spacious bag. This, I believe, is considered a mini bag on their website, if I remember correctly, but it is mini but mighty. It fits so much stuff in here. It is one big gaping hole, so not a ton of organizing you can do unless you want to buy an organizer, but that isn't, to me, that's not a problem. I'm more than happy to just dump everything in the bag. In terms of price point and whether it's still worth it, so this currently retails for £1,350 or 1,690 US dollars. I purchased it for £1,070, so that's a £280 increase in the last 2 years. So I don't think that's bad, to be honest, because there are other luxury bags, even from Saint Laurent, that have jumped up even more. So £280 in the last 2 years, with inflation and cost of living and all of these things, I don't think it's a terrible price point. It's still under 1,500, so that's great. So it's still a bag where if you are on a bit of a budget per se, and you don't want to be spending £2,000-3,000 on the bag, this is still at a great price point. I think if you're looking for a day-to-day, everyday bag that you can just wear carefree and not have to worry about it, this is definitely a great option. I think the leather has held up fantastic. I don't see any issues arising with the bag in the next 4 years, 4 to 5 years. I don't see any issues with it. And yeah, I would definitely recommend, if you're interested in purchasing this bag in 2024, while it's still under 1,500, because prices are always going up every day. But yeah, I absolutely love this bag. Probably my most worn bag, and a bag that I would highly recommend if you're interested in a casual day-to-day bag that's great quality and can stand the test of time. So that's everything on the Saint Laurent Lou camera bag in the black and gold hardware. Let me know your thoughts on this bag. Do you have it in your collection? Have you had it in your collection and sold it for whatever reason? Let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.